Everyone, in today's video we are going to share with you all how we made our very own maple syrup right here in the middle of the city. So make sure to stick around and watch. Inspired by today's maple experience that he's actually going to do something. He's gonna tap one of our trees. What do you got there?
Our city maple tree. This is Teflon tape on a tube.
Okay.
We're gonna jam it in there. Okay, so we're gonna stick this. We should test it out with a water bottle first to see if we collect anything.
Okay, well, what are you making what are you tapping the tree with?
Okay, here's my drill. Matching drill bit. A little bit smaller than the pipe. Manual capture.
Oh man. Hopefully those Boy Scouts did an awesome job today teaching you.
I learned from, you know, a 10 or 11-year-old kid, but yeah, this is what he told me to do. Okay, here we go. We'll see if he was right. Make sure none of the neighbors are looking at what I'm doing. This is the season. If you want the Lord to bless you, you gotta give him away. Okay.
If there's something...
No, it's all coming out.
Hold on.
So they had taps last week at the antique store in Edinburgh. However, after this whole maple fest thing, everybody and their mom was going home tapping their trees, including Sean.
Well, that doesn't look too suspicious, right? I'll just bend it a little bit this way. All right, now we're gonna have to just wait.
How long do you think this is gonna take? It's already flowing, and it hasn't even been a minute. Mimi, look at the sound. Dad's invention worked. Very primitive.
Kind of up there, but it's okay.
Uh-oh,
It's okay.
That's a lot coming out though.
Well, they said it could
it's
come
a
out.
given tree.
This tree is going to provide my family with syrup for our pancakes, our flapjacks.
Look at that.
So tomorrow, we should maybe have a bigger container in here.
Yeah, I think that's gonna get full pretty quick. Maybe look at all the
I can't believe this is.
I'm impressed.
I'm a little shocked that this is actually holding. That's plumber's Teflon right there. That's just holding back
the rest of this stuff.
It's actually gonna make something.
That's amazing.
That means out of all this, we can make that much syrup. Right there.
Are you excited? Yeah.
No
one's gonna miss this part. Mommy, no one's gonna miss this part.
This is inner city right here. This is how we do it in the city.
Mommy, look how fast it's going.
I know.
Mommy, look at a popsicle.
Oh yeah. An icicle.
We have like 8% sugar on this thing.
Mommy,
Our sap is sweeter than theirs.
So this is a full bottle of sap from the tree that Sean just tapped. It's been about 6 hours and we have gotten this much sap, which Sean says equivalates to about, what is it, 1 tablespoon? So we're hoping to get way more than this, and from the looks of it, it's flowing. So we'll see how much syrup we can actually make homemade syrup.
We're loading it up. You said 2 inches.
What do you think, Noah?
You think it's going to be a success? It takes whatever time it takes, I guess.
And you're supposed to watch it the entire time?
No, I don't think I have to watch it. I can just kind of keep an eye on it. Well, a week ago we went to the maple syrup farm, and now we're making our own.
It's pretty amazing.
Yeah, we got, what is it, 6 gallons.
In 1 week.
About a week. 23 liters.
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah, and it was to the pole. And there's no more room, so I gotta burn it off.
We're gonna have our own homemade maple syrup. So make it in homemade sweetness. After a week and a half of collecting sap from our very own maple tree and many hours of boiling it down, we finally had this beautiful golden brown and sweet homemade maple syrup. We stored our yummy maple syrup in these beautiful little glass containers that Sean was able to find at the Dollar Tree for only $1.25 each. As soon as the maple syrup was made, we started enjoying it. The first jar just showed how much we had consumed. This was definitely a fun learning experience, and we have definitely developed an appreciation of all the hard work that goes into maple syrup making. Well, that's it for today, my friends. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye!